There it goes. You're a little distracted, girl? Nice work. You are super fast. Man, Abby. You getting a little stressed, lady? Good job, Abby. So that's kind of fun, huh? Yeah. Wow. Man. Where did it go? It's getting smaller, isn't it? I know. Getting closer. It's hard to get all the way over there, isn't it? It's alright. Awesome. Uh-oh, are you slouching? Let me help you. Take it back up there. Oh, there you go. Can you get down a little bit? Are you finished? Hi. You did a great job.